Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Facebook Inc. step by step clearly. To begin investing in Facebook Incorporated, start by conducting thorough research. Understand Facebook's business model and revenue streams. Familiarize yourself with its financial performance, including revenue and earnings growth. Next, choose a trading platform or brokerage that suits your needs. Look for platforms that offer user-friendly interfaces, low fees, and strong customer support. Once you've selected a brokerage, open an account with them. Fill in the necessary personal information, including your identity and financial details. After your account is set up, deposit funds into it. This can typically be done via bank transfer, credit card, or other payment methods. With funds in your account, search for Facebook Inc. using its stock ticker symbol, which is Meta. Review the current stock price and any recent news that may impact your investment. Decide on the number of shares you want to purchase based on your budget. If you're unsure, consider starting with a smaller investment. Place your order through your brokerage platform. You can choose to buy at the current market price or set a limit order for a specific price. After your purchase, monitor your investment periodically. Keep an eye on Facebook's financial reports and market trends. Be prepared to adjust your investment strategy based on performance and market conditions. Consider setting a long-term investment plan to avoid impulsive decisions. Stay informed about any major changes or news related to Facebook. Lastly, evaluate your investment strategy regularly to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.